And the moment you think of it, that is the greatest purifier. It purifies the inside and the outside. Bahya, external. Abhyantara, inside. So external, internal, both are purified by it. So sa bahya abhyantara shuchi. It makes him completely pure. That is why it is done. So many Mahatmas, they say, don't touch me. And the modern boys say, ye aa gaya, kahin say, don't touch me. He is the greatest, holiest man in the world. He doesn't say because he is holy. Because he is unholy, he says, don't touch me. This is given in Yoga Sutra. Yoga Sutra में एक जगह लिखा है. See, one of the sadhanas which you have to do, yama niyama. See there, the niyama it says shaucham. That is, keep yourself pure. अपने आप को पवित्र रखो, अपने आप को शुद्ध रखो. Now, why this shaucha? And there they have given every day a sannyasi should do 3 times snan. And even other people, they should try to do snan. Every time you go to the latrine and come back, you again do the snan and then come out. There are people who do like this even today, 20 times they will do. And not only that, my mother will be sitting, suppose she comes and her gown just touches it. My mother says, I have been polluted, she will go and take bath. So 20 times somebody touches you, 20 times they will take bath. And they thought by that they are becoming pure. They are not. So shauchat deha jugupsa. So by this shaucha you go on doing it. One day you will come to realize all these soaps of this world, even Amway soap costing 180 rupees, will not clean you. Only Bhagavan's name alone will be the beautiful this thing. So this body is useless. So you will get jugupsa over it. Chi, ये क्या शरीर है? नहीं तो we are so concerned about it. शरीर में इतना सा बाइल हो गया, स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट के पास चला गया, हर एक को कहा, देखो जी कल से देखो, even a Swamiji is fond of showing up all his problems. This is what happens. So you are so fond of your body, and this body is not worth thinking of. You leave it. So for that purpose, this shaucha has been prescribed. It is that. So when a Mahatma says, don't touch me, he says, Baba, I have got my own unholiness. I am impure. You keep your impurity. Let me keep my impurity. Don't touch me, please. That is what he means. But we took it otherwise. That is the problem. Then, Jnatva tam mrityu matyeti nanya pantha vimuktaye. So this is the only way, jnane naiva kaivalyam. With only by jnana, only by understanding, only by knowing that the entire thing of the world is all God only, there is nothing but God, the entire thing is a dream. सारे सपना ही सपना है, इसमें कोई असली चीज है नहीं, कोई मरे कोई जिए कोई किसी को मारे, कुछ नहीं है भाई, सभी चीज इसी में हो रहा है, वो सपने में हो रहा है. It's all happening in that dream. It doesn't matter what happens to anybody. So this sort of a knowledge, when you come and you see the Lord alone everywhere, Vasudeva Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabha. Ultimately you come to the Lord, everybody is Vasudeva. Why is called Vasudeva? The one who is everywhere, सब जगह जो बसते हैं, and जिसका light is showing him to everybody. When the light comes, Diva Dyotane. Deva comes because the one who is bright, who is effulgent, जो तेजोमय है, उसी को देव कहते हैं. See, Sanskrit is called Deva Bhasha. देवों के लिए कोई भाषा की जरूरत है, वो मन ही मन बात करते हैं. So this is not the Deva Bhasha. पुराने जमाने में जो आर्य, not only by nature, but they were all people who have done the Vedas and all that. So as such, एक ब्रह्मतेज था उनके अंदर, वो था. ज्ञात्वा तम मृत्यु मत्येति नान्य पंथा मुक्ति नान्य पंथा अजनाय विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमहितं तदेवाः. ये पुरुष सूक्त में आता है, नान्य पंथा अजनाय विद्यते. That's it. The point is, you have to get started. So everybody may not be able to reach the president and bring him. So you have to keep your things and then you should try for him. So naturally, this process is necessary. So everybody may not like to start with God's name and all that. So many people don't even believe in God. So उन लोगों को कैसे भगवान के पास, how can you take him? People who don't believe in a God. So you telling you need not believe in a God, but see this poor man who is your neighbor. he has been dying, so do something for him, please take him to hospital, there is nobody, he has got no son, he has got nobody in the house, he is lying in fever, so you are his neighbor, you please do. So you are kindling his heart. So through the heart you have to extend it. That's why he is called Brahman. Brahman is Brihati, the one who grows and comprises all. He is called Brahman. So first you start with your neighbor, start with your village, do something for them, then do something for the country called patriotism, then do something for the world. So इस तरह करके करते 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 तब मन शुद्ध हो गया, सबके साथ हमारा प्रेम हो गया, क्योंकि अब आप जाना नहीं कि ये भी भगवान ही कर करके, अब तो केवल आप उसको ट्रबल. सो लेट मी हेल्प यू इवन दैट वे, इवन विथ ईगो यू बिगिन टू डू दिस. ईगो विल गो इन ड्यू कोर्स and you will get purified. So this purification process is a must, but don't live with it all through your life. Don't be go on daily झाड़ू देते रहो और भगवान को मत बुलाओ, तब इसका कोई फायदा ही नहीं. There is a proverb, it is good to be born in a church but do not die there. Start the church but go beyond the church. चर्च के अंदर ही केवल भगवान नहीं है, हर जगह है. सो आगे जाना पड़ेगा, आप टेम्पल के अंदर ही मत रहिए. सो दैट सो नान्य पंथा विमुक्ति न कर्मणा न प्रजया धने न त्यागे नैके न मृतत्वमानशु. दिस इज अवर उपनिषद. उन्होंने कहता है कि जितना भी कर्म करो, दान करो, ये करो, क्योंकि अब आपने दान किया, क्या होगा? ज्ञानी कर्माणि तानि सेवितव्यानि. Buddha says you do these things, Matrudevo Bhava, Matrudevo Bhava, you look after your father, you look after your mother. It is the same scripture which says, on the day when you get a vairagya, when you want that, my Lord, I want you alone, I don't want anything, don't bother it is father or mother or wife or children, you run away. Bhagavat में श्लोक आता है. Bhagavat में, in the Bhagavat it says, in the 11th skanda there is a shloka, when a man tells his wife and children that I am going to take sannyas, then his wife says, you want sannyas? You go. Tomorrow morning you will see my body in the temple tank, I will go and खुदकुशी कर लूंगी, तुम जाओ जाओ. अब बेटा भी कुछ ऐसे ही करता है, पिता क्या तुम जाओ, मैं आईसीयू में पड़ा रहूंगा, मेरा हाथ तुरंत फट खत्म हो जाएगा. He says they are not telling. देवता लोग आपसे ईर्ष्या करते हैं, देवता लोग भी भगवान को नहीं पहुंच सकते, हालांकि वो जरा दूसरी स्तर पर हैं. इट इज जस्ट लाइक हम लोगों को एक लॉटरी मिला, 10 दिन के लिए आपको अमेरिका भेजा, अमेरिका यहाँ से बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया जगह है, देख कर आएंगे, इतना ही है. सो इसी तरह स्वर्ग भी एक ऐसी जगह है, अगेन बिकम एज मेन, डू ऑल दी साधनास एंड देन कैन गो. सो दे आर अफ्रेड, दिस मैन विल गो ओवर मी, ही विल गेट द फर्स्ट प्रमोशन, ही विल गो अर्लियर. So they come in the body of the fathers, mothers, wives, and then they say, son, please don't go, don't go, don't go. She says, ullangya gachet, don't bother about them, you go. In other words, you need not even tell them. There is no necessity. When the thing comes, the Shastras say, adahareva virjat adahareva pravrajit. The day it comes, you are not to think, you will not think. The moment you think, that means you are still thinking of what you are not fit to become. So don't go. That day you are not aware what happens, your mind is completely like the bhuta which has taken over. That is like a bhuta which has come, I want God, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है. Like that, become obsessed and you run away. That is different. That is the stage. When you calculate and do everything, don't worry, I will be going for sannyas, out of my pension monthly 100 rupees you send, I will write you the address. ये संन्यास नहीं है. That is not the one. बिल्कुल उस समय पर भूतावेश जैसे भगवान का आवेश होना चाहिए, भगवान के बाद दूसरा कुछ नहीं मालूम होना चाहिए. वो स्टेज आ जाए तब किसी जरूरत नहीं. वो स्टेज नहीं पहुंचा, किसी दूसरे के लिए रेस्पेक्ट लेने के लिए सन्यासी बनना चाहते हैं, देन न इधर न उधर, न इसका पुण्य मिलेगा न उसका पुण्य मिलेगा, इसका पाप मिलेगा, इसको छोड़ने का पाप मिलेगा. सो वो स्टेज के ऊपर है, ये यही है. सो नान्य पंथा न कर्मणा, लॉर्ड अलोन, that is the only way to God. Nanya Pantha Mukti. Then the next is very important. वो ये जो नेक्स्ट श्लोक जो है ये गीता में भी आती है. सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि संपश्यन ब्रह्म परमम याति नान्येन हेतुना। जो पहले कहे उसी के जैसे हैं ये भी। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक द प्रीवियस वन ओनली। ही सेड, know this and you will get the supreme being. What should you know? There are only two things to know. सर्व भूतस्थम आत्मानम। जितने भी यहाँ पेड़ पौधे हैं, मनुष्य हैं और जानवर हैं, कीड़े हैं, there are animals, there are reptiles, there are serpents, there are scorpions, there are animals, there are various types of men, but all is me. I only become all. So again, how to understand? The only way to understand our entire philosophy is through Sapna only. See, a God who has given such a nice body, of thousands of things he has kept inside, so many DNH, RNH, muscles, tendons, पता नहीं thousands of things he has kept. और मनुष्य ने हाथी से लेकर starting from an elephant, एक चींटी, a small ant, its body he has kept gallbladder, this bladder, that one, intestine, everything, even a micro measure, everything has got it. Such a karigar, an artist who can do so nicely, he can prepare a body for you which can work all the 24 hours, all the 30 days and all the 365 days and all your entire life of 100 years. कभी घिसेगा नहीं, it will never get anything, it will become पक्का 100%. And the same God, he has given us sleep, dream, so that we can take rest. It is not all necessary. Then why is he given? He has given it with the clue. यही सूचक है. These are the indicators from which you can analyze your living life. This I am just thinking my entire life for earning money, keeping my sons okay, my grandsons okay, having a very nice house, one in Bombay, in Malabar Hills, one here, one there, one in Uttarkashi, and like this. Is it all our life? We are born, we are dying. Is it all the entire life? Even the animals are doing only thing, they are not earning. Without earning they get their food, or they also get their children. They make them grow big. So what further things have we done? Why God has given? God has given only for earning money. So we are not aware as to why we are all doing all these things. So the only purpose is to know that Lord, the moment you know, that is the only key. You know that everything will come into the picture. So God has given this sleep state as well as this to know how to get happiness. We don't want God. Why do you want God? See, God is only representing the owner of the super bazaar where happiness can be got. You have searched with this entire world. You got so much of money, it never got you happiness. I got diabetes, I cannot take away even one chapati, one puri, one halwa I can't take. What is the use of my earning so much money? So I have never enjoyed anything. I was only earning money, and the last day I found suddenly I died. When did I have happiness? I have never seen the face of my wife for 20 years. That is what people do. There is a great man called Mr. Michael. He was a millionaire. कोटीश्वर थे. ये एक दिन अपने दफ्तर से बाहर जा रहे थे, तब उन्होंने देखा कि उनके बहुत अच्छा लड़का ही है. उसको देखते देखते ये चला गया. That bazaar, that shopkeeper, he is called God. That is why we want God. Otherwise we have nothing to do with God. God से मुझे क्या करना, भगवान से क्या करना है? अरे हमको आनंद चाहिए. किसी ने कहा वो आनंद जिस दुकान में मिलता है उसको दुकानदार है भगवान, इसलिए हम भगवान. अब जो है रात को at the last minute we are going by that path. So नींद का यही है कि during sleep you know I possess nothing, I am happy. So ये मत सोचो कि मुझे 10 घर हो तभी मैं आनंद पाऊंगा. Never seeing now. सपने में if you see a tiger is behind you, it has come and caught. The tiger is very solid and his teeth are very sharp. It is cutting you to pieces. But where is it? In your dream. Dream you look, ये तो बाहर हो रहा है, आप सोच रहे हैं बाहर क्या हो रहा है, ड्रीम तो उधर घूम रहा है. So आप ही के अंदर entire world is inside the dreamer. Your entire dream where you saw 200 people coming, there is a marriage going on. You saw it in your dream. Where is the marriage going on? Not in this house, here. So, the entire world is in you. Sarva Bhutani, all this world is in me. Sarva Bhutastam Atmanam, then Sarva Bhuteshu. I am in them, they are all in me. How can it be? As I said now, all these people are 200 people are coming in your own dream. Right? So where from they have been made? Who made it? Where is the item through which you are made? If you are seeing a jar, the jar was made of some clay. So these are coming inside your room. I didn't come and push some 20 people in your dream. I am somewhere. So the room is locked. You are alone. ये 200 लोग आपके सपने में कहां से आए? ये सब आपने बनाया, अपने से बनाया, क्योंकि दूसरा कुछ है ही नहीं यहाँ सामान। और केवल नहीं बनाया, यदि केवल बनाया वो तो जो सपना देख रहे हैं वही सारे वो ड्रामा बनी। There is no question of any play there. Be always serious, because everything has got a purpose. So this can be done by ordinary householders or other children. But when we go up, we should know what will be the consequences. Think and do it. Take the Lord's name. We should always be serious. So we don't know how it will have its repercussions elsewhere. So everybody is told, Parvati ji, you have done and you have just shut his eyes, and then so many people have died inside Lord Shiva. Then she says, Bhagavan, then how can I again come back to you? I can't leave you. Then he says, you go on thinking of me, do puja of my Shivalinga for a number of years, then you can come back. Then they go. So this entire thing is only a simile to show that God's grace is always there, and that is why we are all growing up. The dream is there. Only when you are conscious, you are making your dream, your inside conscious is making that dream. If somehow, if any koi badha aja, if any impediment comes, and that conscious of the Lord which is going over all that grace, if somebody is blocking, he is doing a great aparadha, because so many people are deprived of it. If somebody does, if when a sadhu is there, when God is there, when he is doing his destiny towards all, it so happened. There is a great Shankaracharya, he was very great in those days, he was 100 years old. He went to somebody's house. That man, he was a very big business magnate on the electrical side. He had subsidiaries in UK and all that. When he went, that man was having his kutch and all that, putting on bare body, having vibhuti, having all these things, and he was standing like this. And he went inside somewhere. Then, in the audience there was a chap who was perhaps called half mad. He got to be told, Swami Shankaracharya ji, why are you coming to these fellows? Only day was today, this fellow was fully drunk and lying on the road, and I had to drag him and bring him to this house. And you, these all show before you that as if they are the greatest of bhaktas, and you believe in them. Then Shankaracharya ji told only one sentence. We are dhobis. धोबी के पास तो मैले कपड़े आते हैं भैया, सफेद कपड़े की क्या जरूरत है? See, in a laundry, you don't require good first class, then there is no need for a Shankaracharya for him. Shankaracharya का जरूरत है भाई उन लोगों के लिए जो जिनका बर्ताव ठीक नहीं है. This is what he told. So that's how things happen. So sarvabhutastam atmanam sarvabhutani chatmani sampasyan brahma paramam. When a man does like this, he sees the very Brahman, the Paramatma, जिस जो परम चैतन्य जो है, परमम माने ब्रह्म का उत्कृष्ट गुण. परम means that which is beyond. Beyond what? जिस चीज का हमें ज्ञान है, या तो हम आंखों से देखते हैं, we are seeing it with our eyes. Whatever you are getting the knowledge of, you are seeing with your eyes, you are hearing it, you are smelling it through your this thing, you are tasting it, you are touching it and sparsha sukha, right? But God, you cannot see him, You cannot smell him, he doesn't stink, nor has he got any good scent. So he is nirvishesha, he has no attributes, poor fellow. And so how to think of him when he has got none of these things? You can only get him direct. He is always with you. That is called aparoksha. Aparoksha means एक तो परोक्ष भी है उसमें. अक्षय माने इंद्रियास, इंद्रियास के बियॉन्ड है. सो इसका मतलब नहीं कि यू कैनॉट सी हिम. ही इज विथ यू बट यू कैनॉट सी हिम बाय दिस मीन्स. तो आप बाई आंखों से, अपनी इंद्रियों से यू कांट सी विथ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. देन हाउ कैन यू सी हिम? ही कैन बी डायरेक्टली रियलाइज्ड बाय यू. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डायरेक्ट रियलाइजेशन? नाउ you are seeing me. Then how do you know that the one man is sitting here? Your eyes see this form and your ears hear this man is talking very loud as if there are 1,000 people. He is talking unnecessarily. He doesn't know to talk very sweetly and in a low voice. So your ear is giving something. And perhaps when I am sitting, I do not wash my clothes at all for days, 2-3 or also having a special spell of Swamiji. So, from all these things, and then you see his beard, you have studied in your young days, this is called the beard, this is called the mustache, this is called the brown, this is called white, this is called red. Based on all these things, this is called 6 feet, this is called 5 feet. Based on what your indriyas have told and based on your knowledge which you have read, you made a figure, you called him Shantananda, you said that man is sitting here. So, your eyes can deceive you. When you go to a Marubhumi in the desert, you are seeing the वहाँ पानी देखा रहे, you are दौड़ रहे हैं, you are going there, you find there is no water, they call it Mrgatrishlika, it's called mirage. So there is no water there, so your eyes can deceive you. So these are all unreliable things. Don't believe in your ears, don't believe in your eyes. Direct knowledge is called aparoksha jnana. You can directly get him, you can directly experience him. How? Now, you are seeing me, this is through the indriyas, this is indriya knowledge. You see, indriya se ye jnana hua. You know, you exist, Mr. Mahesh Bhatt knows that Mahesh exists. So you know that you exist. Isn't that? ये कैसा मालूम है? You ask anybody. पंडित जी आप हैं ना? आप हैं. आपको कैसा पता आप हैं? You are stumped. हैं, हमको मालूम है हम हैं. Nobody will be able to tell how you know it. मैं हूं, दर्शन जो है दुनिया में हर चीज का जो रहना, ये एक शक्ति है. वो शक्ति जो है वो हाइपन आपको कहा मैं हूं भाई, इसीलिए 1000 लोग लिखकर दे दें कि शांतानंद जी नहीं है, देखिए 1000 सिग्नेचर है, फिर भी अरे भाई जाओ यार, ये कुछ नहीं है, मैं तो हूं. 1000 लोगों की बात नहीं मानूंगा मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है भैया मैं सीधा जाऊं. इसी तरह एक दिन आएगा उस भगवान को आप देखेंगे, देन यू विल से आप हैं. उसके बाद 1000 लोग उनके आकर कहें भैया तुम ब्रह्म में हो, ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. अरे भाई मैं तो देख चुका हूं. तो कोई हिल नहीं सकता, हिला नहीं सकते, ये हो जाता है. संपश्यन ब्रह्म परमम, परमम माने जो अतीन्द्रिय है, इंद्रिय से to see the Brahman. The day he knows that all the people I see, they are all the Brahman only. And all of them are in the Brahman, we are all inside the Brahman. हमारे बाहर भी ब्रह्मा है, inside is there, outside is there, he is everywhere, there is nothing but him. Then what happens? Why this? As I said, when you sit, there are various types of impediments. Number one is thoughts. Thoughts ko chhodiyega. Many of the people, they don't shut their eyes. They open their eyes and they can do meditation. When you open the eyes, the entire world comes before you. A cat goes, a dog goes, then your mind is got distracted. This, every day it comes, I don't know, like that. You begin to worry, your jnana goes away. So the moment when you see the cat, you say, this Bhagavan hi hai. So again your thought from cat, it comes to God. From the dog, it comes to God. So like that, the various types of thoughts, you want to convert them back. The moment you see your mind should not be in the cat, To come back, you think that God is also cat. Everything is cat. Then जिसको भी आप देखें, आपको भगवान की याद आएगी. Then in that case, बाहर, अंदर, everywhere, you shut your eyes, you are seeing God. You open your eyes, you are seeing God. So अंदर, बाहर, सब जगह जब वही को, so it is all भावना ही है. भावना से ही उनको हम पा सकते हैं. भावना से करते 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 एक दिन, this is झूठ. On the contrary, हार्श होने के बाद के मन में या शायद मैं गधा हूं, रुकावट. These are all one. There another one he says रसास्वाद. ये रसास्वाद is आनंदमय कोश. आनंदमय कोश में आकर उस परमात्मा को जब सामने देख लेंगे, अरे भैया मोर मुकुट पहनकर वो, it is you only. You take pity on you. It is your own duplicate, your own shadow which is sama mein. So he says, all right, let me finish off his drama. So automatically the kripa comes. So even if you go in that, you will ultimately go. But the idea is only to say, because this is Vedanta, when he is going to tell about the ultimate truth, so perhaps he means this is my idea, it may or may not be correct. So my knowledge is little. But मेरा अपना मत है. इस सब में पढ़ने के बगैर thinking इस घड़ा ने किसने बनाया? Rascal, they are not kept a red light. I will have to write to them tomorrow. ये PW ने किया होगा या वो टेलीफोन वाले ने किया. All the thoughts of the world, you are inside of me. When you are not outside, you are inside. Stop all the outside, you are inside. Whatever may happen, may happen. That's all.
Yeah, that's ultimate. But that's ultimate. And it's very hard. It's very hard to reach that.
Is it not what sadhana is to take knowledge of the Vedas and turn it into experience of the Vedas?
Exactly so. Exactly so.
So the way to reach there is to concentrate on one thing and then go to the absolute.
You see, Swami Vivekananda.
See, look here. What all we are reading now was, the Shastras say you make your thoughts into Brahmakara vritti. That is, it should be only of Brahman and nothing else. You should think of Brahman, you should breathe Brahman, you should eat Brahman, you should remain in Brahman.
Yeah, but one who cannot do that, what should he do?
No, how you can do it? He has given hundreds of methods. See, today we were reading.
Yeah, so that's one method, that concentrate on one point.
Yes, this is one method. See, we are talking of one. That is why there are so many Upanishads. If in one is there is no need for 100 Upanishads. Each one gives different methods. So this is one type where, when you sit in dhyan, either you think of worldly thoughts or you think of worldly persons. Now, all the thoughts when they come of various incidents, events, etc., he says, divinize them. You think the past is the Lord, the present is the Lord, everything is the Lord, the entire drama is of the Lord, He alone is there in every way, the Brahman alone is everything. This is one method of bringing all the thoughts back to Brahman again and again. So, Abhyasa. Again, what is Brahmasa? What is Brahmabhyasa? What do you mean by the practice of the Brahman? That is, Tat Smaranam, Tat Kathanam, Anyonyam, Tat Prabodhanam. This is called Brahmabhyasa Nityahu. Going on, thinking of him, going on, talking of him, and Paraspar Prabodhan karte hue, you talk to him about Brahman, he talk to me about Brahman,
right.
Well, there is one way. So this way of doing it automatically will go, because ultimately, as I said, the higher self is very much interested in the lower self than the lower self is interested. From the day you are born as a lower self, you began to think as the lower self. From that day he began to worry. Well, you began to worry in your 20th year or 60th year. So he has always been there. So where has he gone? So it will take you ultimately, there is no question. But for that Atma Kripa, today we will not be thinking of it, you will be going to the nightclub and drinking with a cup of gin.
So, am I doing right or wrong? Tell me. The way I used to do is to read Upanishads,
Right.
Brahma Sutras, and think about it and try to see
That is
who is right,
that is
what is
Tathagatam,
right.
that's Paranam.
That's what I'm doing. Now, I don't know if it is right or not.
But then what happens is, leave off all the doubts. Because all the doubts will never, even the best of the races so will not be able to tell you, because there are things beyond which even if he knows, he won't be able to express it.
Right.
So he can't tell. So as such, forget about those things. Think of only those things which are required for your path. Don't bother about the external things and all that. That is why again and again we have to bring to the path. And what is necessary, only get that much. Otherwise it says, Chidyante sarva samshayaha, when tasmin drishte paravare. On the day when you have the final look, then only it goes. Similarly, even your vasanas cannot go completely. Rasavarjam rasopyasya param drishtva nivartate. That's what the Gita says in second Adhyaya. It leaves. You may leave taking all the sweets in the world, but what about things which you have done that lingers? It is somewhere there, you are not yourself aware. It is there in one smallest corner, chipta, and it is dried up. It is lying there in a corner, and that is enough to be a bija for future. So when will it go? Param drishtva ante. So we have to see that drashtavyaha. So we have to only first is shrotavyaha, mantavyaha, nididhyastavyaha. So that nididhyasa is actually drashtavyaha. That is the case where you, by going on doing it, you will see positively. That is the only way. But be careful, the extra things which are not concerned, we'll leave it. That's all. There is no question. I am going by this pause, I am thinking of it, the Brahmakara Vritti is there. Take some of those things we know very well, which says, the apani padam, he has no hand, and still javano grihita, still he goes fast, and then he has no hands, he holds you tightly. Remember that, go on remaining in those things. These are all things which you understand. So what you understand is sufficient to take it. What you do not understand, leave it. Doesn't matter at all. That is how I take it. This is the way in which I take. Because my knowledge is...
He told me happened to be a dean teaching religion.
Bundle of thoughts, a continuous thought which is coming like the semolina which comes one after another, or this spaghetti. Ek le jo, dusra jo, tisra chautha. So it is like a spaghetti case. It goes on coming, it's only a bundle of thoughts. Stop all these thoughts. That is why, as finally he said, that's a very good thing, that's all. That man ko ruddha karo, there is yoga. That's all. That is the only way. So you can't do it. Then what you do, reduce it to one thought.